Introducing Self Adhesive Seaming Tape, the easy and effective way to join artificial grass mats. Start by opening the seam between the two artificial grass mats. Place the Self Adhesive Seaming Tape carefully into the seam, making sure it is centered. Cut the tape at the end of the seam to fit perfectly. Spread the tape evenly under the two grass mats, ensuring it lies flat and straight to prevent any misalignment. Once the tape is in place, close the seam by placing the second grass mat on top of the self-adhesive seaming tape. Carefully peel back the edge of the tape and press the ends of the two grass mats firmly onto the adhesive. Slowly pull off the protective top layer of the tape between the two mats, pressing the grass down onto the tape as you go. Make sure to do this gradually and with care to ensure a strong bond. Repeat the process, pulling off more of the top layer and pressing the grass onto the adhesive until the entire seam is secure. Once finished, press down the grass one more time, ensuring a tight fit by walking over the seam. And that's how you use self-adhesive seaming tape for a smooth, secure, and professional finish every time.